Hey guys, Candida here, and check out this bamboo cutting board. What I like about this is it's two-sided and we have great things on the other side. This side is what we're going to start with first. So if I am cutting something, I'm going to use this side here, and you can see it's got little grooves here. These little grooves are to cut the juice. So if you're cutting into a juicy steak or cutting into veggies that are making a mess or even fruit, that juice is going to drip right in here. And then as we flip this over, it's got 3 compartments here. So you can put fruit here, you can put veggies here, you can put all kinds of things here, and you can use this more as a display. And again, it's got the grooves here on the side, so that way it's gonna catch any of the juice. This is great for entertaining. I love to do Sunday dinner and have everyone over, and I'm able to use this almost as a charcuterie board. I'm able to put the different things here. I love that it has the little built-in scoops here, so I can add the extras. This has been a great addition to my kitchen, so I hope you found the review helpful.